Kai has hiccups. I don't know how to explain. Look at his tummy. This is him after a sort of coma.
He lost his job. Oh, they made cutbacks.
Kyron! Kyron!
He said he's not going to do sales. Definitely not phone sales. He says he wants to be retired. I mean, it would be awesome. He's like, because I'm really gifted at it. It just, it would be hard to get a job doing that. They just had to ride his stride, you know?
Poor dude. Has hiccups.